Hello guys, this is Nick again from Technical Designs. It's been a while since I did any update on the videos. The orders has been coming in ever since I released it, and I've been way too busy. I don't even have time to build my own cars also, but I just wanted to show everybody this a kit here. This is the full police kit that a customer wanted, but he wanted 2 advisor bars and 7 pairs of strobes, and he wanted all in blue. So of course you got the 2 sets here: the headlights, tail lights, and the left light and the right light that's going to be paired together. If you're not sure what I mean by the 2 advisor bar, let me pair them up so you'll see. Let's see here. You're gonna get the headlights and taillights. With each press, it's gonna jump to the next mode. One more press, you get the high beam, which is just the front lights getting brighter, and then the next press will get you the advisor bars. This is going from right to left. Press it again, left to right. Press it again, then it'll do a wig-wag pattern. Also, the pairs of 7 LEDs will also be blinking. And then one more click. Next click. One more. And one more. Then this is the final mode, which everything will blink in your whole car. Of course, at any moment you could hold the switch to turn it off. So holding it, it'll turn it off. So if I go to the first mode, headlights and tail lights only, you can hold it, it'll just go off. Press it again, high beam, press it one more time, then you get your advisor. If your car is parked on the road and you want people to go right, I guess if you hook this up this way, then the advisor will show it going right. Press it again, it'll go left. So at any point, just hold it, and the system will shut off. Let me put the advisors together so you'll see it as 2 advisors instead. Okay, I've grouped them together. As you can see here, you gotta crisscross the wires. And then once it's grouped together, you dim down the lights a little here. And then when you turn on the advisors, now you got 2 pairs of advisors instead of just a single. Click it, it'll go the other way. And again, this customer wanted 7-inch from here to here. So yeah, you get a total length of 14 inches. Let's show you a ruler here. So here's the ruler. So if this was to be straightened out, you'll be probably over here somewhere. So again, this is not a 164 setup anymore because it's too big. This is a 164 Cruiser that got butchered up by the kids. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Custom kits are also available. If you need something custom, if you think of an idea, shoot me an email through the website, and then I'll work with you in order to get what you want. And again, thanks for following. If you haven't followed, please follow, subscribe, and hit the like button. Thanks.